talking about the Jack Daniel's running formula again, and today we're talking about that ever popular iPace. So let's get right to it. Why do we do interval training? And the answer is pretty simple. We improve your cardio system. So what is your cardio system? Specifically, it's your heart, it's your arteries, your veins, your lungs, your breathing, all of it put together that delivers oxygen into your bloodstream to your muscles. So what we want to do is increase the volume of oxygen, the maximum in your bloodstream. We call it VO2 max. So intervals are done at your 5K raced pace. We'll get to that later. They're about 3 to 5 minutes each. The rest period should be the same or less. If they're getting easy, shorten the rest period. Do not bump up the speed. That leads to injury. It's a mistake. Shorten the rest if you think it's easy. It will get hard, okay? So, an interval looks like there's a little easy period followed by an interval period. Again, they're between 3 and 5 minutes each, which means the rests are between 3 and 5 minutes each. By the way, these little easy periods, add all these together when you're looking at your total easy running for the week. So all of these little easy periods in between your tempos and your intervals, add them up. They are important. They matter. Okay, here I want to show a chart of what happens with your oxygen volume. And there's your maximum. I'm going to put that as a dashed line. So what does it do during these interval runs? It's really important to understand what your goal is. So watch what happens. You start at a low blood oxygen level, and it goes way high. It hits the maximum, and it can't go higher, so it stops. It's a little flat spot. You can't exceed your maximum only by weeks and weeks of training. So you can see you got a lot of time at VO2 max. That's what you're after here, is to increase your time at VO2 max without killing yourself in a 5K. So avoid injury, the potential of a 5K every week, and instead do your intervals properly. All right? Clearly, running faster than your iPace up in that little hatched area in the pyramid is not going to make you exceed your VO2 max, since it's VO2 max. If you want to exceed it, then what you have to do is train hard and prove that it's exceeded. All right? So 8% per week is your maximum. So a good thing to do is rule number 5, set intermediate goals. So here's an example. Try doing a set of Yasso 800s once a month. So say 6 of them, then do 8 of them, and then do 10 of them. It's a nice intermediate goal. It's really a great feeling when you do 10 Yassos. And go find out what they mean. Another thing I want to say is a runner's focus must stay positive. That's rule number 2. I can't emphasize enough how important it is that you look at this training, you know it's doing good, you know it's going to help you, and you feel upbeat. There you go. Get your iPace done.